Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is going to be the pumpkin wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side, as usual, is at the belt line. Come over, put in a pinch here or a fold, bring it over to the center, come around like this, and we're going to come up and over, like so. Come around like this, and then around like so. Come across, pretty basic moves up to this point. First wreath will be right here. Like so. Another wreath right here. Right here. Go around underneath it like so. Like this. And I don't have anything else to do anything else with. Now let's kind of adjust this a little bit. I want this to looks kind of pumpkin-like, does it not? Put my buttons down here. So here you have it. If you want to see this picture, go to Simmonsessentials on Instagram. So there you have the pumpkin wreath. Linwood Darkest already did the pumpkin. So here's the pumpkin wreath. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.